for that doll. Then I would print it out.
Okay, wait, hold on. I got Alexa working here. What do I need to say? Tell me again.
I'm having trouble hearing.
Oh, wait.
Alexa, play a fart sound.
All right, let me see if I can get my mic close to it. Hold on. Alexa, play a fart sound.
Okay, here's Big Fart. Hey, what fart would you like?
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
That was a wet and squeaky one. Try saying, play Mr. Farts. Or say random.
So random.
Random.
That was a relaxed one. Do you want to hear another one?
Oh, yes.
That was a quick and squelchy one. Try asking me for a quick and squelchy fart. Or say random.
Alexa, how about a quick and squelchy fart?
Here comes a quick and squelchy fart. Would you like me to play another fart sound?
Yes, of course.
That was a trumpet one. Try asking me for a gassy fart. Or say random.
Alexa, please play a gassy fart.
Here comes a gassy fart. Ask me for a Christmas fart, or just say random.
How about a Christmas fart?
Santa, give them a Christmas fart.
Listen to this frosty Christmas fart.
Get more
that's
Christmas
wet.
farts from Santa with the Christmas Farts extension pack. Do you want to learn more? Would you like to learn more?
About farts? Yes.
That was a very uncomfortable one. Try asking me for a wet and squeaky fart. Or just say random.
Okay. As much as I want to keep doing this, let's do one last momentous one. What do you think? You got any ideas, Corndiff?
Just no.
That was
There
a
it is.
difficult one.
That
Try
one.
asking me for an angry fart.
Oh.
Or say random.
Oh, that sounds like it could be a winner. We want to go off on a high note here. Okay.
Angry.
All right. Alexa, can you please?
That was a small one. Try asking me for a bath fart. Or say random.
She beat me to the punch. Wow, she's a comedian. All right, Alexa, can you please provide me with a loud, angry, epic fart?
That was a short and gassy one.
Oh, come on.
Ask me about the Extreme Farts extension pack. Or just say random.
Extreme Farts extension pack? What the hell does that mean?
Yeah, you
Get
can
the
get an
five
extension
parts?
pack.
It loads more farts with the Extreme Farts extension pack.
Oh, thank
Like
you.
Dragon Farts and the ability to fart happy birthday to you. As a Prime member,
Holy
you
shit.
save 39 cents. Your price is just $1.60 plus tax. Would you
Jesus.
like to buy it?
Yes.
Have I been paying for these farts?
Apparently. No.
Sorry, something went wrong.
Wait, okay. All right, hold on. Alexa, please play Happy Birthday in farts.
Happy Birthday Fart Song by Fart Man from Spotify.
All right, stop. That's enough. Alexa, stop. All right, thank you for your service. Go back. Skeptical Robot, a podcast devoted to logic and reason and debunking the paranormal with intelligence and logic.